What's happening, guys? So today is the big Honda meet here in Arizona. It's called the Honda Days meet, and this is one of the biggest gatherings of Hondas in my state. So currently right now, just washed up the vehicle. About to go head to my boy Danny's house and see what they're up to. And then from there, we're just gonna go straight to the meet. It's a beautiful day out. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Please won't you be my neighbor? Hey neighbor.
As you can see, car's looking good. I'm looking good. Wheels looking good. Let's head to Danny's. All right, guys, so we at Danny's house. Got the whole squad here. So we got me, got Jay, Danny, and then we got Nate's moving in the garage.
It's Mugen.
Cleaning up the cars real quick before we head out. That's Danny's too. All right, so we just had to stop at the Shell gas station, just meet up with the homies. The CL? RL?
Yeah, good.
It's clean, man.
Yeah, look at this street too.
Hey, that's OEM paint right there?
Yeah.
Wow.
You can tell, I got my K back.
Got the FA5. Nighthawk Black, I think. CRZ. That's sick, man.
Right now,
Like what is it? I think 130. Really?
yeah, right now it makes like, they make like 130, something like that. With the
It is a hybrid.
sheet for this said it adds like 5 pounds of torque or something. So yeah, not very much, but it does
Looks
have
good, though.
Still cool to see. A little exhaust.
Got the CRZ gang out here. Suzuka Blue. Oh wow.
He has all his beats.
Is this the Milano Red? You got Type R seats in here too? Sheesh.
Nah,
Nah?
Sparko.
Is it?
Backseat Sparko.
Oh,
It's fucking sick.
looks good though. It's clean. It's yours, man?
Yeah, bro.
Hey man, super clean, bro. I love it.
Nah, bro. It needs some TLC, bro.
Hey man, it's still good though, bro.
For a minute, bro. So,
Hey, hell yeah, man.
yeah, I gotta clean it up a little bit. Those seats we done, bro. It's just
Yeah.
killing me, bro.
All in good time, man.
Yeah, that's what good old California sun does.
Oh man, that's the worst.
Yeah, we just sitting outside my mom's house.
Love it, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Nice meeting you, man.
Yeah, as well, man.
About the two-step?
That shit got me about
Oh, I didn't even see this. It says Odyssey, stanced out. If I was in the Vans, I would definitely want to get one of these. We got an EG right here, super clean.
What's going on?
Oh, no.
What's going on, Pat?
How you doing?
What's up, man?
Yeah, see
How you doing, man? How you
He
doing?
looks good too.
CRV look good.
It's all right, huh? For kid car.
Somebody thought this fool was Dominican because of the CRV, bro.
Su papá, Mohamed Mustafa Haji, dale.
Got the Spoon library on here. EP3s. This is his CRV as well. I want one of these CRVs so bad. First gen.
She bought a new front end, and the new front end that I made her
Crazy.
get had another splitter and stuff on it too, and the fog light things.
Got the old Accords.
Rear is going on.
I don't see too many of these. I got a clean EG. Very nice, very nice. We got the Teggies out, white Teggies. That hatch over there is clean.
These shits are going up too.
Yeah.
It's charging like 20, 30K.
Mint.
They're nice.
I really like that one. This one is the one that I had one of these. I had a 93 black one.
Is that why it's stopped like that in the back?
Yeah, that's how it is. The body is nice. Check out this hatch over here, man. I've been looking at it.
Hey, would you look at this? You know what I mean?
Clean, man. Wow. Got an Integra over here. I ain't never seen that manifold before, but it looks fast. What's going on, guys?
Look at that blue S2K over there.
Bro. Oh, this is the homies right here, I think. Yeah. Yeah. It's Captiva Blue, right? Hey.
Type R gang right here, though. You heard?
Huh?
Type R gang.
Where? Oh, the FK8s? Ooh, shit clean. Wow. That's perfect. Got the coupe. Got Jordan, but I don't know where you at. Jordan, where you at?
I'm gonna take Jordan. I'll give us $200 for those fenders.
Ooh, JDM front end conversion right here, yeah. Oof. I always wanted to get one of these and convert it, bro. So sick, bro.
17s? Those inks?
Probably 16, 17s. Ain't got Type R seats in there too. I like it, I like it. Jordan, where you at, Jordan? I see your car.
Over there.
Yeah. There goes another EF right there. That's a clean one. I would see that one at IFO all the time. Some gram lights on there too. Wow.
My colors are blue.
Oh yeah, bro.
Man, this red one is fire.
Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah. That's your old jam right there, right? I still love these, bro. If I could find one, I'll probably daily
I'll buy one
one.
again, maybe.
If you find one, bro. Gram lights look nice.
I'll buy one again. Coupes have fog lights.
Yeah, but so do the sedans. You can make fog lights.
No, but the coupes have fog lights right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right.
Sedans.
That's how you can tell. Okay.
That's
Damn, it's clean. And the spoons. The spoon brakes right there. Jeez, race car, bro.
Weird, like it's just all the internals and
Man, this thing is perfect. This makes me want to go bronze on white. The Mugen's on there, bro. He's got Mugen everything on here, bro. Catalog. Seats, look at the seats. The hood comes up and then it goes down. Bro. That's crazy, huh?
I got that spare tire in the front again.
PRX.
Yeah? How big is it, boy?
This is hers right here. Man, this thing is clean. This is like a perfect platform right here. This is what I want to do with B-Series because it's a lot cheaper, you know? Look at the wheels. She just got the wheels on too. Raised. This is clean, huh?
Love it, yo.
Sheesh. Crazy. So clean.
I do like
This
the
is
clears.
hers too, fully built right here.
It's both hers?
These. This is the race car right here. Look, they build it like this. It comes like this.
Yeah, bro.
You can see the weight in there too, to add weight. That's crazy.
Well, straightaways is a different story. I can't get them all.
Yeah, it's a race car, bro.
Like,
So you can tell.
Shit, not smart.
That's cool, man. The camera set up. Got the camera set up in there too.
Break in a straight line, and then
I want to get one, but it's just freaking expensive, man.
Smiley has
Works.
a 10 gen. He could probably got these. So it's worth it?
So tight. This is the one I would get. Championship white right here. This is the best color right here.
The fastest.
Yo, Team Lumpia. Wow.
BRZ. Right? Alright, so. Go to BRZ. Good one.
Where? Oh,
Check
yeah.
that shit out.
That's the new one, huh? Got the new BRZ. I like white on this.
I go back on the name. Okay.
I heard these are a lot faster.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Omar.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yo, what up?
It's always good to see that.
That's fast, bro. Shit, got my twin right here. USDM. Very nice. That DB8 came out good though, bro. Have you seen the color that it was before? All right, guys. Well, this meet got shut down super quick. They're kicking people out right now. Just started the car up, but man, this sucks, man. I think we were here for maybe a couple hours, and they just started kicking us out. But we're probably gonna go grab some pho real quick, and then maybe do a mini photo shoot. And yeah, catch you guys when we're at the pho place. We got this pho place.
A2?
Got the meatballs. Got the Thai tea. Man, got the Ahoy right there, bro. All right, guys, so we are back home. I haven't really had some good pho in quite a long time. Also, I'm gonna be doing a big brake kit soon, so I'm gonna be running these RL calipers with the 350Z rotors and the Fat 4 brackets to run them. So pretty excited about that. I still need to get the rebuild kit for it, so the gaskets and all the other things. So, but if you guys have any suggestions on colors, I kind of want to do red just so that way it kind of emulates the Type R, but I mean, I don't know, maybe I'll do a different color. But if you guys have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments down below. If you guys are doing any type of modifications, comment down below. Let me know what you guys are doing. Let me know what you guys are working on. Also, if you guys liked the video today, please give it a big thumbs up. Helps my channel out tremendously. Share the video, comment, do all that fun stuff. Subscribe to the channel to see more of the 8th Gen. And I'll see you guys in the next video.